Good morning. It's just too hot outside to make this video. I'm already boiling up here. This is just a very short video about Siling Labuyo. I'll be making another one explaining about it. But this video is basically about the size of them. Are they the world's smallest? As you can see, some of them are only about 3 millimeters long. Just to give you an idea, here is a Thai bird's eye here. Where are we here? There's a Thai bird's eye compared to these little babies here, Labuyo. Siling Labuyo, wild chili. Thank you very much for watching this really short video. In a couple of days time I will be explaining the difference between bird's eye and Labuyo. They're completely different. Might look alike, but they're completely different. I will explain it and then telling you about the heritage of Siling Labuyo. And thank you for watching. And if you like the video, can you please subscribe up here? I think you can see it. You know I do these videos on my own. Anyway, thank you.